But 23 years under sanctions. Vana vedu vane 23 years or 24 years havazivi kugara pasina masanctions. Vakazvagwa masanctions vakurira pai zvokuti abviswa hazvina zvinoreva kwavari. Ma-Americans recently said they are removing some of the sanctions. I say absolute nonsense. Why? In the first place, those sanctions are illegal. You can't impose sanctions on a country which has not offended you. We have never offended the Americans. They have imposed illegal sanctions on us. Nothing short of total removal of sanctions would please us. They say they are removing some of the sanctions and keeping some. We say absolute nonsense. Sanctions must go because they are unlawful. They were declared unlawful by the United Nations Security Council. These sanctions are unlawful and declared so by the United Nations Security Council. So until all sanctions are removed, do not expect us to smile because we have removed some of the sanctions. They are illegal and they must be removed in total.